Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Ngok. Good evening. Good evening, good evening. Welcome again to our class today. How are you?
I'm good.
You're good. Wow. Did you already eat your dinner?
Eat food. A fruit.
A fruit. What
Uh,
what fruit did you eat?
um, right.
Grapes. Wow, you eat grapes?
No,
I
I
know.
I eat the rice.
Oh, rice. Okay, I thought you eat fruits. So you eat rice. What is your viand? You eat rice with chicken, vegetables.
Um um uh
What did you eat aside from rice? Did you eat did you eat meat? Did you eat a beef, fish, chicken? No. How about
soup.
oh, soup? What what is the soup called? What what is the name of the soup?
It is soup.
Is it a Vietnamese soup?
Yes.
Oh, wow. I think that's very, very good. Wow. So good job. Good job to know that you are or you already ate your dinner. So now, are you ready for our lesson 2? S- Are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, okay. So we are still at Unit 4, Food, but we are in our lesson 2. So for this one, we will learn some words and writing. We will practice or improve your
Our
writing.
our
Okay, let's take a look at this food. What are these? Or what is this?
This is bread.
Very good. This is a bread. Good job. Do you eat the bread?
No.
Ano?
And
No? You don't?
I
Yes?
I eat the bread in the school.
Oh, in at school you eat the bread. That's very good. So good job. So bread is one of the a healthy food that you can eat, especially in school, because bread has these vitamins that will help your energy to be energized. Okay. So next one, what is this?
This is a coconut.
Very good. Good job. This is a coconut. So do you eat a coconut?
No,
No. How about the juice? The coconut juice. Do you drink coconut juice?
no,
I know also. You haven't tried a coconut juice?
I don't.
You don't.
I don't like coconut.
Oh, you don't like coconut juice.
I
Most people,
don't.
yes. So most people, they like coconut juice, especially when the weather is very hot. Because coconut juice, even without an ice or even without putting ice, so it is very refreshing, especially in hot days. Okay, so next Ngok, what is or what are these?
This is a pin.
Very good. These are beans.
Pin.
Okay, yes, perfect. Do you eat beans?
No,
No,
no.
also. How about when your mom cooks a soup with beans? Do you eat those in soup?
No.
No, also. You don't like beans?
Yes.
Yes, okay. I also don't like beans because the texture is very unfamiliar. And I just don't like the circular texture or round texture when I am eating something. So yeah. So very good. This is a bean. How about this one? What is this?
Beans.
Very good. So good job. But the spelling will be only without I. So it is, what is the spelling? P. What is the spelling of P?
Pin.
P,
Peace. Peace. Peace.
P, E.
Peace.
How do
P.
you spell?
E.
P, E,
P. P. E.
A.
P. A. S.
Okay, very good. So that is the spelling of peas. So yes, very good. So peas,
V. P.
so
P.
peas, so peas is somehow similar to beans because they have the same look, but they are different when it comes to what they have. Okay, so next. Okay, this is what you ate this night. What is this?
This is the rice.
It's a rice. Very good. It's rice. Do you like rice?
Yes.
Yes. Wow. Very good. Because rice is healthy. Okay, next one. How about this one? What is it?
Mm,
It's
this
a
is for
starts with letter P.
like
Po,
go potato.
okay, very good. So this is a potato. Do you eat a potato or do you eat potatoes?
It's a I don't eat.
Oh, you don't eat? How
Yeah.
about French fries? Do you eat French fries?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's made French fries are made of potatoes. So basically you eat potatoes. French fries is made of potatoes. Yeah. What is that? What is that red thing? Is that a sticker?
No.
Ah, what is that? Uh, is that a toy?
Um,
Is that what you stick into the wall and it will stick? What toy is that? O- Okay, so next. Or is that your pen? Okay, next. Let's go with the next one. What vegetable is this? It's a
huh.
okay, very good. It's a carrot. And do you eat a carrot?
Yes. This is my
Mhm.
name.
Oh, that is your name?
This this is my name. How my name? How is that?
Carrot is your name?
Yes. Um. Anemia harm. Anemia harm.
Oh, is carrot your favorite vegetable?
Yes.
Oh, wow. That's very good because carrot is good for our skin. It's good to know that your favorite food or favorite vegetable is carrot. Wow, so your name, the English name of ngok is carrot? Is that correct?
Yes.
Oh, now I know why. Okay, so wow. So that is carrot. So very good. So that is carrot. How about this one? What is
This,
this?
this is on on
On. Is it double N? Is it
onion,
two is it two letter
onion,
N?
onion.
Onion, very good. Is it two letter N or only one letter N?
Ba N.
Double N? Are you sure? Let's check. It's only one. Okay, so that is how we spell onion in English. So it has only one N. Onion. Okay, one more time. Let's say onion.
Onion,
Okay, very good. Onion. Do
onion.
you do you eat onion?
No,
No. How about when you boil it? You still don't eat onion? How about do you know onion rings? Onion rings. Do you know this one?
onion, rest.
Onion rings? Do you know? Let me just show you a picture. This one. Do you know this? Can you see
Hmm.
the screen? That is the onion rings. So
This
that
is a
is,
this is a octopus.
oh no, it's not an octopus. It's an onion rings. So it's made of
Oh my god.
onions. Yes, it's made of
Oh my
onions and it
god.
it is
Oh my god.
yes, it is covered with um what do you call that? It is covered with flour. And it looks like octopus, but
No.
yes, it
No.
looks like
No.
octopus, but
No.
it is an onion rings. So this is a famous snack.
No. This
This is a
is
this is this is a famous snack in the United
uh
States. Yes, so they eat onion rings. So it's like the
this
oc-
is onion.
yes, that is an onion. So yeah. So they cook it like they fried it and it's
This
very delicious. It's very tasty. It is like French fries. It
onion.
tastes like French fries. The next one, what is this?
This is
This is a
wait. To wait. To
so so so
mm, may
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 so may so may.
wait. Tomato.
Okay, very good. Wow, good job in the spelling. So yes, this is a tomato. So very good. So do you eat tomato?
Mm, Yes. I eat
Yes.
tomato.
You eat tomato. Do you like tomato?
No.
I know. Why don't you like tomato? It it's sour, right? Tomato tomato is sour. But tomato is also good for your skin. So if you want
Tomato. Tomato.
so if you want a good skin, if you want to have a good skin, you will eat you will you should eat tomato if you want to have a good skin in the future. You can eat tomato. So yeah, so tomato is one of it is one of part of a berry. Tomato is a
Perry.
berry. Yes,
Perry.
it is.
Perry.
Yes, it is considered also as a fruit. Yeah, so that is a tomato. So next one. Okay. So now let's play a game here. So you will tell what is the name of the food that we have. Yes, very good. So this is what is it? It's
Peas.
it's peas. Very good. Next. What is it?
Coconut.
It's
Coconut.
okay, very good. So let's try to answer in a complete sentence. One more time. What is it? It's
This is a coconut.
okay, very good. So next, what is it?
Carrot.
It's a it's a carrot. Okay, one more time. Let's say it's a
Carrot.
carrot. Complete sentence. What is it?
Carrot. 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 Carrot.
It's a
Is a carrot.
okay, very good. So next, what is it? It's
Is uh
a
this is beans.
very good. It's a beans. How about this one? What is it?
This is a rice.
Very good. This is a rice. How about this one?
This is tomato.
Tomato. This is a tomato. How about this?
This is a potato.
This is a potato. How about this one? What is this?
This is a bread.
Very good. This is a bread. How about this one?
Mm, This is a onion.
Okay, perfect. This is an onion. Next, okay, so for this activity, so you will look and write. So let's go first with number one. So number one is downward. So this will be number one. So what is number one?
It's a wait. A bread.
Okay, very good. Can you write bread?
Bread. No.
It has letter. Okay, let's delete bread.
Bread.
You deleted it all. It's a
Mm,
hmm?
It's a bread.
It's a bird. This
Oh
one.
no.
This is the spelling of the bread. This. Look at this. This is bread. R-E-A. Okay, perfect. Very good. So this is bread. So let's take a look at number two. What is this?
This is
So you can check the words here. If you are somehow confused, so there are choices here. We have coconut, beans, peas, rice, potato, carrot, onion, and tomato. So you can choose from these
this
words.
is what? This is rice.
Okay, perfect. So that is a rice. So next, let's go with number three. So this number three is downward. So what is this?
Um, number three is peas.
Okay, very good. So this is peas. How about number three? Another number three, which is in this position. So it is vertical,
This is uh, po
horizontal. Pose.
potato. Uh, to-
Okay, very good. It's potato. How about number four? So number four is downward. It's
onion.
onion. Very good. It's onion. Perfect. Good job. How about a number five, which is horizontal?
Two five. A carrot and coconut.
Carrot and coconut. So can you write where is the carrot and where is the coconut? So coconut is horizontal and carrot is downwards.
Co coconut.
Okay, very good. Next,
Carrot.
is it only one R? One R or two R's?
12.
It's two R's. Okay,
Light.
write the other R. Carrot. Very good. So good job. So next, number six. So number six is downward. So what is number six?
Mm, mm.
Number six
Huh?
is it peas or
Oh my god.
oh my god. What is number six? Ah,
Wait.
why is your pen like that? Your pen is transparent. Oh yes, very good. So this
Pins.
is beans. Very good. And our last one will be, what's our last one?
So. What?
Ah, double T?
So.
So,
So. So. Me. So.
okay, very good. Wow. Good job, Ngok. So for completing this activity. So you really did a great job. So next, okay, yeah, this is or these are the answers. So very good. So now let's have a new sentence structures. Okay. So for this one, we have a question. So can we read the question? Would you like some apples? Let's read this one. Would you
Like some apple.
Okay, very good. So our answer will be, if we answer yes, so we will answer yes, please. If we answer no, if our answer is no, we will say no, thank you. Okay, so now let's have this question for you, Ngo. Would you like some apples? Yes or no?
No, thank you.
Okay, very good. So if we don't like some apple, so we will say no, thank you. So this means that we don't want. But if we want some, so we will just say yes, please. Okay. So next, okay. So let's have this one. So let's take a look at this picture and let's answer if they like some or if they don't like some. So based on their reactions. So
Yeah.
let's take a look at the first one. Okay, Ngo. Would you like some beans
He's
in our
sad. He's sad.
Yes, they are sad. How about the picture number one? Are they sad or happy?
No, he
They
he
are.
happy. He
Yes,
happy.
they are happy. Very good. So they are happy. So that means they like some beans.
Mm.
So what will be their answer? They will answer yes. What will be their answer? Would you like some beans? Yeah. Is it a yes or no?
Yes.
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 Please, very good. How about number two? Are these people happy? Are they happy? Number two?
No.
No, they are sad.
What you
Uh,
what
you,
you like? What you like some bread?
okay, what will be their answer since they are sad? What is their answer?
Oh,
No, no,
no.
thank you.
No,
No, thank you. Okay, so next, let's go with picture number three. So let's take a look. Are these people happy or sad? Are these number three? Are they
Eh,
happy or sad?
happy.
Very good. They are happy. And what are they
What
holding? Wood.
uh, you uh some
Would you? Would you use some? Or would you like?
potato potato.
We have two you. Would you a some?
Um,
Would you like? Oh, why did you delete all? Would you like?
what
Okay, go. Would.
what you like uh some
Oh,
potato.
okay. So for this one, we will not include some. So
Yes.
first, yes. Yes, please. Very good. Yes, please. So for this one, yes, very good. So for this one, Ngok, since we already have so we will not use some. Okay?
Some.
Because yes, we will not use some. Because we use some if we have many things.
Things.
Yes, we will use some if we have many things. But for this one, we will use if we only have one. If we only have one thing. So let's take a look at the picture. Okay, so how many potato is there? How many potato in this picture?
Mm.
How many? How many potato? Only
One.
one.
Mm.
Very good. So for this sentence, so we will use a because we only have one potato. So would you
One.
like, yes, would you like a potato instead of some? But the difference here, so we have how many beans in number one? How many beans do we have in number one?
Beans. Two.
We have two beans. Very good. So that's why we use some because we have two beans, not one. So we will only use a if we only have one. So let's go with number four. Number four. So how many onions in the picture or how many onions can you see?
Um. Only one.
Only one. Very good. So what is the verb or linking verb that is used here? It is
Is it? Um.
an. Yes, because onion, so it is or starts with letter O, which is a vowel sound. Vowel sound. That is why we will use an. Okay? So now, before we end our lesson, let's answer this one. Would you like? What is the sentence here?
Something.
Would,
No.
would,
You like
and
um some
onion. We do,
onion.
okay, we will not use some because we only have one onion. So we will use a or an. Okay? So would you like an onion? So we will only use some if we have many onions. For example, we have two onions here. So we will use
Onion.
yes, we will use would you like some onions? Since we only have one, we will use would you like an onion? So that is it, okay?
No, thank you. Thank
Okay,
you.
very good. Good job.
Thank
So
you.
that is for our lesson today. So good job, Ngok, for this lesson. So it is the time that we end the lesson. So thank you very much, Ngok. And I hope to see you again soon on Friday. Goodbye. You can now take your rest. Thank you very much, Ngok. Okay, so let's review this lesson in our next class. Okay?
Okay.
Bye
Okay.
bye. Goodbye.